Good morning, good evening, and good night. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. My name is Mambo High Priestess Ishera, and this is another episode of My Inner Reality, a dark goddess perspective on her true to form life. Everybody's chasing the outside while I chase my insides. And in my inner reality, I should say in the real world, that's bird shit. And in the real world, out here, they say bird shit is disgusting and totally embarrassing when it falls on top of you. But in my inner reality, bird shit is good. A little shit don't hurt nobody. A little shit makes the plants grow. But I will tell you this, you guys. When you're thinking or feeling or on a different perspective, and then something like bird doo-doo falls on you, that's a perfect sign that the shit you're thinking about is just that. Shit. Okay? And you should move on to the next thing. What the fuck? I am sitting here patiently waiting for the fucking bus. And this motherfucking bird decides to fucking shit on me. The fuck? You guys, you gotta take the bitter and the sweet, okay? In some cultures, being shitted on is good luck, okay? So I'm gonna take this as good luck, and I'm going to walk with a smile with it moving forward. Now excuse me while I wipe the shit off my leg. Fucking shit.